how's it going? I hope you all are having a great day. Today we'll be learning about Linux. Linux is an open source operating system. Hold on a second. What is an operating system? As the name states, operating system is the core software required to operate a computer. An operating system is responsible for communicating with the hardware, and it allocates the hardware resources for you to execute commands and run various programs. Basically, it acts as an interface, and without the operating system, you simply won't be able to use a computer. Now, I want you to try imagining your computer like a car. Now, there are various parts in a car, such as the transmission, gearbox, steering wheel. Now, imagine these parts as various softwares. They'll help you drive your car. But without the engine, none of these parts work, and you won't be able to drive your car. Like the car won't even move forward. Now, in this example, the operating system is the engine. The engine can work on its own, but without the operating system, no other software will work. Now, there are different types of operating systems on the market. The most notable ones are Windows and Mac OS. But unlike them, there's a major difference for Linux operating systems. Linux is open source. It means it's freely accessible and modifiable, making it very popular. From smartphones to supercomputers, Linux operating system is everywhere. Like seriously, from cheap Android phones to supercomputers on Wall Street, they are all powered by Linux operating system. There are different types of Linux distributions such as Arch Linux, Debian OS, and Fedora. In this video, I'll be using Ubuntu operating system. Ubuntu operating system, it's one of the most stable distros out there, distributions in short. So we'll be using Ubuntu. Installing Linux. I'll be running Linux on a virtual box and I'll show you how to get started. Go to virtualbox.org and download the latest VirtualBox. It's free and it's easy to use. I'll leave the download link in the description box down below. After downloading it, install it on your computer. Once you're done installing it, download Ubuntu ISO file. Once again, you'll find the download link in the description down below. Now, open VirtualBox and click New. Select the machine folder path, allocate RAM for the virtual machine you're creating, and then create a virtual hard disk now. Now input the storage and ensure it's dynamically allocated. Now click the create button and you'll be done with creating a virtual machine. Now click Ubuntu VM and go to its settings. Go to storage and select the optical drive option and select the Ubuntu ISO file. Now when you click the start button, it will ask you to select the installation medium. By default, it will be displaying Ubuntu ISO if it's your first time installing a virtual machine. Select that and proceed with the installation. Select your language and keyboard layout. Unless you have any space constraints, I suggest you proceed with the normal installation. Erase this data and install Ubuntu. Press install now. Write changes to the disk. Continue. Select your time zone. Now create a name, pick a username and a password. Once you're done with the installation, restart the virtual machine. Log into your account and connect your online accounts. Set up live patch for better security and choose if you'd like to share your system data or no. Click done and update your software. To update your software, you have to authenticate by typing your password, and once you are done updating the software, restart the computer and you'll be able to use the updated Ubuntu version. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, please feel free to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Have a nice day.